Hey everyone, today I'm just going to make this super simple AFK fish farm in Minecraft. All the materials will be listed in the description below. Break out 2 blocks, place your chest, break out 2 more blocks behind the chest, place your hopper looking into the chest, a fence post on top of the hopper, a pressure plate on top of the fence post, a note block, a block on top of the note block to make it silent, an iron trapdoor, then waterlog your fence post. The water will then flow to the nearest hole, and that's your done. Now just grab yourself a fishing rod, line yourself up with the iron trapdoor and the pressure plate, and just hold down right click. Then when a fish comes along and grabs onto your hook, the bobber will go below the pressure plate, turning off the iron trapdoor, allowing you to catch the fish. When you do catch the fish, you'll get XP, and the items that you catch will end up in the chest. And the more enchantments you have on your fishing rod, the better loot you'll get. So if you have Luck of the Sea, Mending, Unbreaking and Lure all on your fishing rod, you'll get better loot drops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.